Right now, the time is 9:15. Usually, you need 8% to go over there in the tractor. We don't have 8% because today is a weekday. So I'm going to do myself. I'm going to find out where is the place it is. I'm going to enjoy it. This is true DIY style. There's the kids over there. I haven't had a breakfast, so I stopped nearby the bakery. It's Lorraine Bake Shop in Ibona. So I buy some cakes and cookies. So later I'm going to eat it. It's all with sugar and coconut baked products, which I really love it. Very good energy also at the same time. Wow, it looks nice. Very hygienic. Put in a glass, everything. Look at it. It's beautiful. Let's stop there. Take a big eat later. Wow, beautiful. Nice landmark. Beautiful. Yeah. Rather I'm sitting in the home, exploring this place, much better. Three-way road out of nowhere. I didn't expect this. Okay. Yeah, I want to go to the falls over there.
You want to go to the falls?
Yeah.
Maybe here is the taking round, then maybe there go to right side is Abungan Falls. Then left side is go to Laktas Falls.
Okay. Yeah, I'm a vlogger.
You're a vlogger. But you're from country.
India.
Go there.
Thank you. What's your name? Justin. Justin. How about you? You?
Eli.
Hello. Okay. Okay. So these are people helping me. So we are going
Yeah.
Abungan Falls. Okay. Thank you. So now I have guide also at the same time. They are going, I'm going to join with them. Wow. Yeah, it is there, Abungan Falls. You can see the tractor also. Lucky enough, they have the signboard.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Where are you going?
Abungan Falls?
Abungan Falls. This way.
Okay.
Walk.
Yeah, I'm going to walk. So parking fee is 20 pesos. Okay, sure. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Right now it's like 9:51. Another 500 meters this side. Let's see how it goes. You need to cross a lot of rivers. I'm going to do the DIY style. Whew. It is really cold. Look at it, how clear it is. I think we can ride a bike. Why not? He asked for the guide for 300 pesos. So I don't want to give 300 pesos for the guide. I'm doing it myself. Hello, bye bye, hello, hi. Say hi. How are you? Good? Okay. How to the falls? Falls this way, this way, this way. Thank you. They're helpful. They understand English. There's a two-way going. I don't know which way to go right now. This way? Or that way? Wow, look at the place. That's enough. Lucky enough, I'm going the right way. Follow the river because the river comes from the falls. That's the only thing I can understand right now. Follow the river. Since yesterday, I was roaming around like this. The climate is fine. It's When it rains, I cannot fly my drone. That's a very, very tough time. The footage will be ruined. That makes me mad. Because all your effort going to be useless. According to the climate, the weather, you can enjoy a boat. If it rains, it's going to be tough time. I can see a couple of dogs over there. Hopefully, they won't fight me today. Hoping for it. It's a good thing I spoke to my uncle. He told me you can go and visit for yourself, like a DIY style. This is the parking area. I can see it. So I'm in the right place. Wow. So it looks like if you come in a weekdays, nobody, only you. That kind of deal. That's a good thing. You have a sari store. You can buy a lot of things over here. You have piece of Wi-Fi. That's a good thing also. So up.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then, last,
Go up,
and then
go there,
we,
turn right.
right.
Okay. So you have a paid seat over there. You can use it.
Yes, sir.
And you have a resting place also. You have a couple of places you can order some food. Main thing is piece of Wi-Fi is available over here. That's the main thing. Let's hike up. So this is what we came for. Look at it. Beautiful. They maintain this place very well. No doubt about it. Wow. It's good. Hiking up. I don't know how long. I'm hiking up. Wow, I can see the falls. It's beautiful. Let's say 100 meters from the down. But you need to hike up. The pathway, beautiful. So, this is the way. You are going in between the rock. That is so cool. Out of nowhere. Big rock. Watch your head. It's cool. Wow. The view is worth it. Lucky I made a trip. Look at that. Your cabin, you can rent it. Honestly, I didn't expect this much water. Look at it. We take the high road. Wow, that's a big reveal. It's nice. Whew. Wow, look at it. Beautiful place. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you.
vibe. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Now the time is 12:15. I'm going for a swim. I came so far. If you don't swim, that's a problem. I have my friends over here. Say hi. Yeah. They are going to come with me. Let's go. That's good. It is very cold. It is very, very cold. Oh my God. Come here. You're naked. Oh my God. Wow! It is very refreshing. Look like a water massage. Look at that. Look at that. like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Mwah. Looks like the storm's coming. Right now it's like 12:30. I'm leaving my friends over here. I had a great time with them. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's leave.
I love you so much.
Okay. Let's leave. That's how it is. Okay. Wow. Let's go. That's how it is. It's a beautiful place. I highly recommend for everyone. Everyone's supposed to come over here. I only visit only one falls. The other falls I cannot go through because from here at least 2 kilometers I need to walk. So that's the situation. So I don't think so I can go 2 kilometers without the guide. It's very tough. I can walk 2 kilometers, but it's very far. Even this jungle, the road is splitting like a spider web. So very hard to navigate also. So I quit that falls maybe some other time. Now I'm leaving. Wow, what a journey today. Met some new people. I'm really happy. They also happy. Let's go home.